Hi everyone. So the whole vein thing is sort of stuck in my head, and I want to try something. I put it on the comments, but I can't wait till this weekend. So what I'm gonna do is take the paint I think I need, and I need a lot because I'm going to do one color. I'm hoping that's enough because I have to put some more in because it has to cover the whole canvas. Okie dokie. And the paint for this technique has to be on the thin side. So I'm stirring like a crazy woman. That's not thin enough. This will be enough. Okie dokie. Now, when you want this to work, the thing is that you can do this with one color or more colors or just a dirty flip cup, as much colors as you want. But the thing you have to think about is that when you release this, you have to be pretty fast. So what I have is I have my glitter already. I got the caps off, so I'm ready to put it all over really fast. I have my torch. Oops, I was going to fill it with silicone, but that's not going to work. Let me see. Uh-oh. Where's my gas? Oh, there it is. I just want everything to be totally ready. Okay, so oh, there's a little water on there. That's not good. Don't want that. So we have the paint already. It's really thin, as you can see, because it's starting to drip. And that's a sign that your paint is normally too thin, but we're going to try this. So I'm going to put in the silicone. This one's almost empty. But we're going to put in a lot. See that? The round blotch there, that's silicone. So then we're going to pour that in there, or stir it in, because we want to make sure it has a lot of silicone. Okay, we're ready. Now, this part has to go fast. So we're going to put it on there. There it goes. Release. And we got to be a little faster because otherwise it's not going to work. Oh, this is taking too long already. I can already see the cells popping. Okay, a little bit more because we want the effect to be really, really... Can you already see it? Okay, now I'm going to torch. I'm going to spread it out a little bit more and torch. Okay, that's about it. Now you can see those veins. See that? So what I was thinking is that I would do this, but I'm going to save that for this weekend. Do have to make it move a little bit, but I'm going to keep this no matter what, just to see what happens to it. So, but what I was thinking is, wouldn't it be cool if we had this, and then I put one of those feather pours in the middle? Aha! Yes. Very interesting. But I'm just checking out to see how this is going to behave, because as you can see, those are really beautiful cells, and by doing this I'm making them bigger and bigger, but they're pretty much intact, as you can see, only bigger. So there you go, nicely covered. Oops, need a little brush because I see some canvas peeking. So this time I can just do it with a brush because you have one color. So that's, you don't have to make sure that the pattern goes over the side. Just a little brush to do the little corners. Okay. There it is. Let's see if I got everything here. Oops. One little bit here. Now this is kind of nice to look at. See that? And I think if you want to, we should try it also with thicker paint, because here's what I'm thinking. The thinner the paint, the faster the silicone rises to the top. You saw that when I pulled off the cup and put the first layer of glitter on, you already saw the cells forming, right? So if it's thicker, I'm thinking the silicone will be more captured by the paint. That gives me a little bit more time to put that whole layer of glitter on top, and thus when I torch it might be a little bit more prominent than it is right now. Now this is pretty, but I'm not sure if this is something that you would hang on your wall, because you know, just a little bit of that glitter in there, yeah, well, not that interesting. But if then you were to put something like a feather pour, like zip, 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 and then this is the background, this is the negative space, and then you have that beautiful little feather pour on top, I think that would be, wait for it, legendary. Yep, I watch a lot of How I Met Your Mother. Barney Stinson always says that. Wait for it, legendary. Okay, it's on there, and now I'm sort of thinking, shall I just get some paint and do the feather pour on top, or should I not? Of course I can always put a transfer on it. Maybe make something really pretty. Oh, I think it looks, it would look really good with something like a sea mermaid on it, and then this would be the really beautiful mystical background or something like that. Nah, I'm not going to pour on top of it because I really want to see how this dries and if these veins are going to be exactly where they are right now. So I'll just show you one more time where all the veins are. See that? It's pretty shiny. It is really pretty. But I'm hoping that these are the thicker ones. But here I can see really thin lines of glitter. And I think that just might be pretty if I just left it like this. Although I'm looking, because I put on two colors of glitter. I put on the bronze and the gold. And all I can really see, what is left, is the gold. So that is kind of interesting. Someone asked me, can you do this with all glitter? And of course, guys, because you can't get the glitter I got. This one, you know, it was sold out. I found one web shop. They had some. I ordered, and then they sent me an email on Monday that they were all sold out. And I was thinking, okay, that's nice. So I just canceled the order, and then I went to another shop, and that one had two left, and I bought both of them just, you know, to be on the safe side. Yeah, what I'm gonna do is the thicker glitter, this one, because this is glitter that everyone can buy. This is the normal glitter, and I'm gonna do this on a piece of photo paper, and I'm gonna try it with just a little bit thicker paint. So that's that. Has to have a little bit of silicone. Oh, my bottle is empty. Oh, there it comes a little bit. But I do think you need pretty much a good load of silicone. But I'm not going to add any water. We're going to see what happens. Okay, that's the silicone. So we're going to pour it on here like that. Smack it in the middle of all the wet paint. Who cares? Ooh, this is a lot of glitter. Well, it's stuck in there. Now, oh no, we have to level it out just a little bit. Yeah, it's working. Okay. Yep, it works with the normal glitter too. Only I think that you have to do, on your hand and then blow it over, because now I sprinkled it and here there's too much. When there's too much in one place, you won't get those cells. Let me see if I can make them a little bit bigger. Well, that works. It's pretty. I'm pretty sure we can find lots of stuff to do with this. This looks like a wing of some sort of a mystical butterfly. Let's just pour it down a little bit and make them a little bigger. See that? That is pretty. And this is the normal glitter that you buy in the shops, where you use it for greeting cards and stuff like that. So this is really normal sized glitter. The other one, this one, is where I use the really fine glitter. So it works with both. Only this one I had the paint just a little bit thicker, and I think that's the way to go, because that will hold on to the silicone until you put your glitter on, and then when you torch you'll get a little bit more of an effect. But this is it. Pretty. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed my spontaneous video. And as you can see, I don't know, oh yeah, there you can see it. I just colored my hair, so I'm really in a state, but we'll figure it out later. Now this one we'll just let dry. I will show you that one this weekend. The paper I'll leave flat here and let it dry. I'll show you that this weekend. And I'm going to clean up, and I'm going to wish you all a really lovely, creative, happy, healthy week. So, love you all to pieces. Liebe euch alle, hou voor jullie allemaal, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.